Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30011. This is the City Police Dinghy. And I didn't realize it until I just picked this up, but this might be one of the simplest polybags ever to put together, because I'm pretty sure that dinghy is one big piece. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my plan is to do one of these polybag videos a day, each day for the foreseeable future. And I've done one of these videos a day every day for the recent past, so there's a decent number of them already out, and there's also more on the way. So please think about subscribing if you like this kind of thing. Alright, so our police dinghy driver, piloter maybe, has his life jacket on, and so that's like so. Now, I feel like the dinghy part doesn't require a lot of work. So, yeah, there's that. Huh. That's an interesting piece. Huh. What do you think? Another piece I've never seen before. It kind of looks like it's the front of a car, maybe? Anyway. Oh, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And yeah, as I expected, it's not going to be super hard to put together. Okay, so let's see. That goes there. This goes here. And the feeble attempt at a windshield. And the steering wheel. Steering wheel. So this is going on the back, and our motor thing goes back there. I don't know. That's an interesting piece. And then we have these two pieces here that provide us with a place to stick the lights. Not the most complicated of builds ever. Still, though, I mean, it's not a bad addition to your city police force, I guess, if you want. I mean, it's sort of a one-man dinghy. And then this goes on the back. And then we have our pilot goes in there. Like so. So extra piece-wise, they give you an extra one of those little lights. Yeah, this is not the most complicated build ever, but this piece is kind of interesting. The actual dinghy piece itself. I don't know. What do you think? I'm a little torn about this whole dinghy thing. Having such a big pre-made piece that's really specifically it's just a dinghy. Like, maybe I'm trying to think what other things you could use this big piece for. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know if there are other sets that use this particular piece for other things, because I'm curious about that. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.